we are officially at 100 episodes. Could you imagine that? Like 100 episodes of Credit 101. So, welcome to the 100th episode of Credit 101. I am so happy that I've stayed consistent with doing this. This has not been easy for me, but I'm happy that I stay consistent. And I figure we probably get to 200 episodes, maybe that much, but this was very eye-opening to so many different people and also to me. So I'm very happy that we got to episode 100. In this episode, we're going to talk about selling those smaller assets, those smaller items that you guys have. Last episode, we talked about larger assets like cars and houses and stuff like that. And this one may be smaller assets or smaller items that you want to sell just to get more money if you need more money coming in or if you need to pay off certain debts. So I have a few things that's written down that I want to make sure I go over. So you got in terms of where you can sell these different items at. I have seen people sell a lot of things. I have seen people, they have sold like different clothing that they have. They sold furniture that they had in their house. Whatever extra that you have, maybe you had a business you started, but you didn't finish the business. You can sell those different things. I'm going to tell you the different places that you can think about really selling these items because I'm pretty sure if you look around your house, you'll know what to sell, but like, where are you going to sell it? So first off, you can definitely try to look into selling it on eBay. You also got the Facebook Marketplace. You could think about doing that. OfferUp may be a great one too. I see a lot of people selling on OfferUp. I remember when I was moving, we had to sell a lot of things. We sold things on like, OfferUp, the Facebook Marketplace. You can also do Craigslist. Craigslist, they have a lot of things on Craigslist. I don't know if people go on there, but please beware of like scams. You can also put some signs out. You can do like a yard sale. You can put some signs in your neighborhood that says you're just going to do a yard sale to sell a lot of items. I see that a lot, especially in the spring. So you have options out there to sell your items. The key is to, especially if you clutter with so much, is just to put the items together that you want to sell and just try to sell them. Don't just think, oh, nobody's going to buy it. You never know who may need what you have. But definitely you guys can sell these different things. My favorite ones though, when I like to look for things right now, I love to look on the Facebook Marketplace. Like I love looking on there. OfferUp, it's neither here or there. And I love to go in the neighborhoods and see like different people selling different things because I just love how open it is. And I think I have found, like, I remember it was a childcare going out of business. I had a daycare at the time. I bought like a lot of stuff from them. So definitely you guys can sell items just like a yard sale, just at home, okay? And you can even tell people on Facebook Marketplace if you want to, but beware of scammers or crazy people. Let them know that you're doing this sale. But that's what you guys can do to sell these different smaller items. If you guys have any questions, definitely give me a call, 833 Rickita. I'll see you guys in episode 101. Like, can you believe it? All right, I'll see you guys there. Bye-bye.